Hello, welcome to the screencast on parts of an equation for a linear relationship. We have been working with writing equations for a little bit of time now, but I wanted to make sure we know all the words that the letters refer to. Y refers to as the dependent variable, and it will always be the dependent variable. X is the independent variable. Now we have used M, and we mostly have been calling it the constant rate of change. But it also has other names too. It is known as the unit rate sometimes, constant rate of change, coefficient of x, and slope. All of these are the same thing. They're just words that we could use for the value of m. Remember, in our equation, m will be a number. And to find that number, we take the change in the y divided by the change in the x. B is also a number, and it is known as the y-intercept. We have sometimes referred to this as starting value, but y-intercept is a better name for it because it's the place where the line will cross the y-axis. And when we graph this, it will always happen at 0, whatever that b value is. Remember, b is a number and m is a number. These are the parts of a linear relationship.